Okay, good day everyone. Now, let's talk about cholelithiasis. Okay, so what is your cholelithiasis? It is the formation of gallstone in the gallbladder. Okay, chole means gallbladder, lit means stones, di ba? So, formation of what? Gallstones in your gallbladder. Okay, so meron na daw tayong stone saan? Sa may gallbladder ninyo. So, what are the modifiable and non-modifiable risk factors? Okay, for the modifiable risk factors, it is obesity, okay? High fat diet, rapid weight loss, lack of physical activity, pregnancy, increase in estrogen, DM, and your hyperlipidemia, okay? Sa non-modifiable naman natin, we have your older adults, gender, women, family history, ethnicity, Native American, and Hispanics, okay? So almost the same sila ng what? Ng cholecystitis ninyo. Okay? So, ano ba ang nag-cause ng cholecystitis? Okay? Your gallstones, nagkaroon ng obstruction sa may cystic duct. Okay? Yung cholelithiasis naman natin, this is the formation of your gallstone. Okay? Sa gallbladder ninyo. Okay? So, what happened? Remember, ang formation kasi ng bile ninyo sa liver nangyayari. Okay? Yung liver ninyo, dyan na po-produce yung bile ninyo. Ilang bile, okay? Every day, it's up to 1,500 ml a day, okay? And imagine, i-store mo siya sa gallbladder mo. Okay? Ang kaya lang i-store ng gallbladder mo, nasa 60 to 80 ml. So, anong ginagawa niya? Kino-concentrate niya, okay? Or sinasaturate niya, okay? Kakaroon ng concentration or saturation. Now, ang nangyayari kasi kapag nasobrahan yun ng pagkakaroon ng saturation or na super saturate siya, okay, yung bile ninyo nagkakaroon ng crystal formation. Wherein kapag nagkaroon ng crystal formation at nagkaroon ng stasis, okay, pag sinabi kasi nating stasis, walang movement, okay, no movement. Okay, no movement. Sa gallbladder ninyo, doon na nag-i-start na magkaroon ng stone growth. Okay, stone growth. So magkakaroon ka ba ng gallstone? Yes, okay. So now, ano yung mga signs and symptoms na pwede mong makita if meron kang gallstone? Okay, sudden severe right upper quadrant pain. Okay, sudden. Okay, that should be sudden, sorry. Sudden severe right upper quadrant pain. Okay? Meron ka ring epigastric pain. Okay? Pain that radiates to the shoulder or your back. Okay? And then we also have your pain that occurs after fatty meals. Okay? Nausea, vomiting, abdominal bloating, dyspepsia, fever, chills, jaundice, dark urine, clay-colored stool, and your Murphy's sign. Okay? Murphy's sign. Again, ano ulit yung Murphy's sign natin? Pag prines ng doctor or healthcare provider yung right upper quadrant mo at saka prines niya and then pinigilan ng pasyente yung paghinga niya because of pain, that is positive of Murphy's sign. Okay. Now, anong magiging complication ng cholelithiasis natin? It's your perforation, cholangitis, pancreatitis, and your sepsis. Okay. Now,